Walther has been making firearms for 135 years, and they've really specialized in handguns. Over that time, their guns have evolved, and this is the latest distillation of everything they've learned about making handguns. This is the PDP.
You look at the historical German roots to their manufacturing in the US today. If anyone could rival John Moses Browning at making a hand tool, it's got to be the guys at Walther. Their guns have always been excellent when it comes to ergonomics. They fit the hand, they function well, they are very well-made guns. The PDP line really evolved the PPQs, which were their polymer-framed striker-fired guns. But the PDP, or personal defense pistol, it really brought that platform, which was well regarded for its ergonomics, for its reliability, and brought it forward to include things like a very deep optics cut. This allowed you to mount optic without having to change into tall suppressor height sights to co-witness. Very smart design. Also continued the ergonomics, but maybe brought those designs forward a little bit, improved the triggers, improved the serrations. Overall, the PDPs have been great guns, and they're available now in all different sizes and configurations, from full-size match-style guns to compact concealed carry pistols.
Yeah, tons of great features. You know, you've got the new performance duty trigger and the performance duty texturing on there. Really great frame size, feel, everything, the trigger, everything is very smooth. You get a secure hold on the gun. Very controllable trigger, very easy to shoot well. Now this one that we have here is the F-Series, and the F-Series has got a few different changes that are specifically designed to make it more comfortable for shooters with smaller hands, maybe new shooters, things like that. So the grip radius size has been reduced a little bit. The trigger is easier to reach, things like that. And one of the things that they did that was really intelligent, in my opinion, is they reduced racking force on the slide by about 20%, and that's a big deal.
Yeah, they used a two-piece striker in this gun, and the F-Series, it does kind of stand for female in some ways, because it was designed with a lot of input from women, and the idea was, let's get something with for people with smaller hands, less of that grip strength. And of course, we think about the growth in female shooters. This was very smart to go to female shooters for design input and to make those changes here. Make the gun overall more accessible. But I gotta tell you, despite the fact that it may have been designed with women in mind, I know a lot of guys who love the PDP, but picked up the F-Series and really like that. And Walther has a deal going right now.
Yeah, when you purchase a PDP pistol, you actually get 100 free rounds of Sierra hollow point 124 grain 9mm ammunition. That's $150 value. So as if you needed more incentive to buy the PDP, now's the time when Walther has this great deal on the table.
Yeah, absolutely. So the PDPs, they're going to come in a lot of configurations, start around $600, and like Brad said, they're going to come with free ammo. So if you want to find out more about the PDP family of firearms and this great deal, go to waltherarms.com/free ammo.